Welcome to my YouTube channel The Silent Speed. Today, I'm bringing you something truly unbelievable. The king of supercars, Lamborghini, has stepped into the American RV world with the 2026 Lamborghini US Motorhome, a machine that combines exotic design, hotel-level luxury, and wild performance in one unbelievable package. In this video, I'll take you through the exterior, interior, performance, safety features, unique selling points, price, and finally my conclusion. So sit back and enjoy, because this is not just a motorhome, this is Lamborghini redefining what luxury travel means. The first moment you see this motorhome, you immediately feel Lamborghini's aggressive DNA. This isn't a normal, boxy RV. The sharp aerodynamic shape is clearly inspired by the Aventador and Revuelto, flowing across the entire body like a sculpted piece of Italian art. The front end features Lamborghini's iconic Y-shaped LED headlights, paired with a massive honeycomb air intake that screams performance. Along the sides, carbon fiber accent lines and 24-inch forged wheels show that this RV was built for more than camping, it was built to dominate the highway. The rear is just as bold. A full-width LED light bar and the proud Lamborghini emblem complete the futuristic, intimidating presence. Stepping inside feels like entering a blend of a supercar cockpit and a luxury hotel suite. The dashboard uses Lamborghini's newest digital interface, sharp graphics, and fighter jet-inspired controls. The driver's seat is a premium Nappa leather sports seat with full lumbar support, meaning even long coastal trips feel comfortable and controlled. The living area is wrapped in handcrafted Alcantara, carbon fiber trim, and customizable ambient lighting, creating an atmosphere you'd expect in a high-end Italian villa. The kitchen is fully equipped with a full-size induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, wine cooler, and soft-touch automatic cabinets. The bedroom features a queen-size smart mattress with a climate-adaptive sleep system, keeping you comfortable in any weather. The bathroom includes a premium rain shower setup, ceramic luxury finishes, and ventilation designed to eliminate humidity instantly. Every inch feels premium, futuristic, and unmistakably Lamborghini. Now, let's talk performance, because if Lamborghini builds it, it cannot be slow. This 2026 motorhome is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid system pushing an insane 830 horsepower. The electric motor handles low-speed driving smoothly, but once the engine kicks in, you get pure Lamborghini force. Despite its size, it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.2 seconds, which is outrageous for a vehicle this large. The new chassis control system reduces body roll, enhances stability at high speeds, and keeps the ride smooth on long American highways. This isn't simply an RV, it's a high-performance grand touring machine. Safety is also top tier. The motorhome includes a full 360-degree lidar-based autonomous driving assist, wind stability control, trailer sway management, automatic collision avoidance braking, lane centering, and night animal detection sensors. Even drivers who aren't comfortable with large vehicles will feel confident thanks to these layered intelligent systems that constantly monitor surroundings and adjust the vehicle's behavior in real time. The unique selling points of this Lamborghini motorhome are countless. First, no RV on the market combines supercar aesthetics with such wild power. Second, the interior materials, Alcantara, carbon fiber, premium leather, set a standard no traditional RV brand even comes close to. Third, the Lambo Smart Suite app allows you to control lighting, temperature, battery levels, water systems, entertainment, and even driving prep modes directly from your phone. And of course, the most unique factor of all is exclusivity. Owning a Lamborghini motorhome isn't just owning a vehicle, it's owning a statement that only a tiny number of people on Earth can make. So what about the price? While Lamborghini hasn't officially announced it yet, industry sources estimate it between $600,000 and $850,000, depending on configuration. Fully loaded with performance, luxury, and digital options, the price can easily climb to $1 million. It's expensive, yes, but this isn't designed for everyone. It's made for those who want the absolute peak of luxury travel and supercar prestige in one package. In conclusion, the 2026 Lamborghini US Motorhome is more than a travel vehicle. It is a symbol of engineering ambition, luxury craftsmanship, and design boldness. It proves that Lamborghini can dominate not only racetracks but also the open road, the campsite, and the world of mobile living. If you've ever dreamed of traveling with supercar style, this is the ultimate expression of that dream. Thank you for watching The Silent Speed, and stay tuned for more unbelievable machines.